Hello, hello, mic check. Hello, am I audible?
Hello.
Hello. Hey guys, um, let's wait for 2 3 more minutes and then we shall start. Yeah, hi guys, hello, good evening. So, this is the first session, doubt session, live session, whatever you want to call, for social network analysis, CS100, NOC 25. This is a rerun course, and in this course, you will be learning about social network and their analysis. Okay, so this is like a bit introduction about me. I am Sahil Mishra. I am a third year PhD scholar at IIT Delhi, and I also work in graphs, not social graphs per se, but I work in general graphs, which are used in social networks, which are used in web pages for your searching. Like the Google uses some graph to search and give you results. Same way, I also work on such type of graphs. And by the end of this course, you all will come to know that why the graphs are useful and like why we are learning these analysis techniques and what should I say, studying techniques for graphs. Like how does Google give you the best results every time? How does Facebook predicts the friends for you? How does Amazon gives you the best search results? How does Amazon give you recommendations? These all things you will be learning soon. So anyways, let's wait for 2 3 more minutes and then I shall give you the introduction to what is the whole setup of this NPTEL thing and how will you learn, what will you learn, from where you can interact with other people and everything. So yeah, let's wait for 2 more minutes. Let's wait for 6:06 and then we shall start. Just hold on a second. हेलो सर मेरा कल कल शाम को कल शाम को सर कर लूँगा मैं मैनेज कर लूँगा हो रहा है धीरे धीरे हो रहा है बस हो जाएगा रात को कर लूँगा सर रात को कर लूँगा रात को जाके हो जाएगा एक्चुअली So my face should be visible and my voice should be audible. If you have any issues, you can just ping here. And I don't know if you are like aware of this, that I think Google has decided to end meetings for with more than 3 participants in 1 hour. So if that meeting ends in 1 hour, I will share another link. This meeting started at 6 o'clock. I will share another link at 6:55 where you can join immediately. Okay. I'll share the link on email as well. Like, I will just show you how to communicate and everything. Okay. So we have like 18, 19 people right now, excluding me 17 people. And I see like a lot of them are studying in some institute with it because their entry numbers are showing here, roll numbers, and some are working. So anyways, let me reintroduce myself. This is Sahil Mishra. I'm doing PhD from IIT Delhi under the supervision of Professor Tanmay Chakrabarti, who is also the instructor of this course. You will like seeing his face a lot in the videos. And I'm a PMRF scholar, so this TA duty is a part of my PMRF TA duty, where I will be teaching you guys the courses and discussing the doubts. So whatever doubts you are facing in the course, theoretical doubt, assignment related doubt, coding related doubt, like whatever doubt is in the scope of this course, that will be cleared here. Even if like you have some arbitrary doubts that just like touch the boundary of this course, but they are not able to enter this course, but that's also fine. I'm open to suggestions. I'm open to extra questions. That's like extra learning for other people as well. Okay. So my face should be visible and my voice should be audible. If you have any issues, you can just ping here. And I don't know if you are like aware of this, that I think Google has decided to end meetings for with more than 3 participants in 1 hour. So if that meeting ends in 1 hour, I will share another link. This meeting started at 6 o'clock. I will share another link at 6:55 where you can join immediately. Okay. I'll share the link on email as well. Like, I will just show you how to communicate and everything. Okay. So we have like 18, 19 people right now, excluding me 17 people. And I see like a lot of them are studying in some institute with it because their entry numbers are showing here, roll numbers, and some are working. So anyways, let me reintroduce myself. This is Sahil Mishra. I'm doing PhD from IIT Delhi under the supervision of Professor Tanmay Chakrabarti, who is also the instructor of this course. You will like seeing his face a lot in the videos. And I'm a PMRF scholar, so this TA duty is a part of my PMRF TA duty, where I will be teaching you guys the courses and discussing the doubts. So whatever doubts you are facing in the course, theoretical doubt, assignment related doubt, coding related doubt, like whatever doubt is in the scope of this course, that will be cleared here. Even if like you have some arbitrary doubts that just like touch the boundary of this course, but they are not able to enter this course, but that's also fine. I'm open to suggestions. I'm open to extra questions. That's like extra learning for other people as well. Okay. So my face should be visible and my voice should be audible. If you have any issues, you can just ping here. And I don't know if you are like aware of this, that I think Google has decided to end meetings for with more than 3 participants in 1 hour. So if that meeting ends in 1 hour, I will share another link. This meeting started at 6 o'clock. I will share another link at 6:55 where you can join immediately. Okay. I'll share the link on email as well. Like, I will just show you how to communicate and everything. Okay. So we have like 18, 19 people right now, excluding me 17 people. And I see like a lot of them are studying in some institute with it because their entry numbers are showing here, roll numbers, and some are working. So anyways, let me reintroduce myself. This is Sahil Mishra. I'm doing PhD from IIT Delhi under the supervision of Professor Tanmay Chakrabarti, who is also the instructor of this course. You will like seeing his face a lot in the videos. And I'm a PMRF scholar, so this TA duty is a part of my PMRF TA duty where I will be teaching you guys the courses and discussing the doubts. So, whatever doubts you are facing in the course, theoretical doubt, assignment related doubt, coding related doubt, like whatever doubt is in the scope of this course, that will be cleared here. Even if like you have some arbitrary doubts that just like touch the boundary of this course, but they are not able to enter this course, but that's also fine. I'm open to suggestions, I'm open to extra questions, that's like extra learning for other people as well. Okay. I just, my hands get out of touch with this recording thing. Anyways, so what I would like is I would like to like if anyone wants to introduce themselves, what they are doing here, like what they are doing in academic profession life, and what they expect from this course, and why they have chosen this course, and are they willing to give the exam? That is another important question. So let's start with anyone. Like, who's the first one? Achal Khare, would you like to like give a short introduction? Yes, you will get the recording of this course, but I just want to know, like, a bit. I'm curious if the live session is clashing. Why not join this session and ask for recording from that session? Anyways, I would not name people. Like, you can start giving your introduction one by one. Whosoever wants to start, they can go first. Anyone? Or shall I start calling the names from last? Vikas R. CSE. Would you like to introduce yourself? IoT and cybersecurity.
Yes, myself Vikas. I'm from Sri Saram College of Engineering, Anekal, Bengaluru.
Okay.
I'm studying CSE with IoT, cybersecurity, including blockchain technology.
Hmm. Which year you are in?
I'm first year, sir.
First year BTech.
Yeah, sir.
Nice, really nice. Like people who are in first year, like if they are sincere about these courses, because these courses are very nice. Like not just favoring this course per se, but you will get to know that this whole thing of social network analysis is very nice if you're working with cybersecurity itself as it actually. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
anyone else wants to introduce themselves?
Good evening, sir. Myself, I am Nasir Hussain.
Hi Nasir. So what are you studying or like you're working?
I am, sir, I am studying Siddhartha Engineering College in Tirupati, second year, sir.
Okay, nice, great, awesome. So we have two introductions. Third one, anybody wants to go? I would not mind like at least five introductions. After that, we can start if you want. Otherwise, I can start anytime. Okay. We have the strength of 18. I'm still saying I'm open to introductions. Okay, so anyways, I have introduced
Good evening,
yeah, please, Lakshay,
sir.
please go.
Myself, Laksh Sharma. I am currently pursuing my BTech in Computer Science from Government Engineering College, Karnal. I am in first year.
Okay, nice, awesome. So, if you guys want to introduce yourself, like I can give 2 more minutes. You people can also like introduce yourselves with each other so that from upcoming sessions you guys can interact with each other. Anyways, okay. First of all, let me just tell you, like next week Friday, I won't be able to take the session. I think so, because I will be traveling to a conference. So that session might be conducted uh, on next week on Saturday. Okay. So we will have third session before the second session. So that shouldn't be a problem because like I will be discussing assignments only. Anyways, attendance. Let me update the attendance. Okay. So let me introduce you to the NPTEL platform, the mailing list and everything. For those who are new, for those who are in first year, like they are typically they haven't seen NPTEL setup overall, and they are a bit confused how the things work. So I will share my screen. Let me know if you're not able to see the screen. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I need to keep this on to just show my face. So whenever you log into NPTEL, that Swayam portal. Swayam portal is very important because you are submitting assignments and doing everything here. You go to My Courses and you open the course. So it starts with this introduction page where you will find the introduction of the course, about the course. Prerequisites. The prerequisites for this course are Python programming, probability and stats, machine learning. I would say if you don't know machine learning, there's no problem. If you don't know Python programming, then also there is no problem, because I will cover some of these topics, Python programming and machine learning, in these doubt sessions. Okay, starting with Python programming, and then I will go to machine learning. So by the end of this course, you will not just learn social network analysis, you will also come to learn machine learning and Python programming, both the things. So it's like 3-in-1 bumper offer for you guys. That's why I'm asking to please attend this session, because sometimes in live sessions you might have some doubts and you are able to ask them, but if you are like just doing the recording, then you might not be able to address all the queries you have. So this is the introduction of Professor Tanmay Chakrabarti. He is associate professor at IIT Delhi. He also is joint professor in School of AI, IIT Delhi, and he mostly works in cyber informatics, or what should I say, like large language models, social network analysis, and everything. And this course type is elective. I don't know like if this matters to you or not, but it's an undergraduate and postgraduate course, which means that both people can take it, provided that they have time to study and like they are willing to give, I would say, 50% effort. Rest 50% will mostly be given by me only. So your 50% should come from the assignments only. Okay, the assignments are easy. The papers will be easy, the examination papers, and it's like easy to pass course. But there's a huge learning in this course which you are gonna have, and that will certainly help you in later future, what should I, professional endeavors of your life. So the course starts with introduction to Python and introduction to NetworkX. So this week has already started, I hope so. Okay. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Sorry. I'm saying that this is my first time after so long to start this course. Anyways, so this week the introduction part will contain how the social networks behave, the way they should, like what is a social network first of all. So, and the next thing is what are the types of social network? Why social networks are important in real life? So, whatever I have told in brief, you will get to listen and see in an awesome introduction format. Then you will have some tutorials on Python and how to use Google Colab. In next session onwards, I will teach you whatever is being taught in these things. Okay, and like coding part will be taken up by me in these doubt sessions, apart from discussing the assignments of previous year and the assignments of deadlines have passed of this year. Okay, and I hope so I can discuss the assignments of previous to previous year, but that won't be necessary because it's more or less the same. Questions will be more or less the same. Okay, the questions are easy, it won't take long. That's why I'm planning to take these sessions to teach you something which you might be taught in fourth year of your college for first year BTech students mostly. Okay, and for like some people who even don't know some of these important topics, like machine learning is being evaded in private colleges and the colleges which are not at IIT level, because like professor faculty don't have that much, what should I say, bandwidth to teach. So like that is the thing which we will be continuing here, and it will be a great learning experience for you all. By the end of session, like by the 12th session, sorry, we will take 13 sessions, one extra session for 2 hours. So by the end of these 13 sessions, you will learn a lot of things. Anyways, let's start. Okay, so then you will learn network measures, network growth models, link analysis, and this all you can read. So coming to what books to follow. So there are 3 books which have been suggested by the instructor. The first one is Social Network Analysis by the instructor himself. The second one is Network Science by Albert Laszlo Barabasi. In network growth models, you will come to know about Laszlo Barabasi by his Albert Barabasi model. Okay. Then the third one is by Stanley Wasserman. Okay. This one is also nice. But to keep in coherence with this course, this syllabus, I would suggest you follow this book. I will search on Google and show you. I'm just keeping a tab on my battery because it's low. I'm asked someone to bring my charger. I forgot to bring my charger. Okay, so sorry, seriously, I'm sorry, guys. Like, internet is very poor right now. Some maintenance is going on. By the way, I'm audible. Sorry, I should be audible now. Sorry, poor internet connection. Okay. So yeah, this is the web page of the book. Is it visible? Give a thumbs up if it's visible. Cool. So this book on Amazon, you can buy it. Should be like 780. You can buy the Kindle version if you want. Kindle version you can like read it on the Kindle app on your Android or iOS app, if like you want it for cheaper price. And this book has the coding material, data set, exercise, and everything. Like even you can find most of the assignment questions in this book. Not exact questions, but it will be of great help in doing assignments and preparing for your final exam if you have registered for the exam. So yeah, this is the course. This is the books. Certificate, to get certificate and all, this is common for every course, so you can just read it and go through it and just let me know if you have any doubt. And the date, I don't think so it can be changed because it is given by NPTEL team. So if you have 2 exams, you have to like make plan beforehand which one to attend in morning session and which one to attend in evening session. So I would suggest you plan accordingly, because if date clashes, you will be wasting your money if you are not able to give the exam. Okay. So this is all about the introduction to the course. Then let me show you these things. Let me show you what these things mean actually here. So in announcement section, if you click, you will find all the announcements which are made by the NPTEL team. So this is the exam registration announcement. Then this will be the problem solving session, which is this session. Okay. Actually, I'm going back and forth because I don't know if the call disconnects due to poor internet. Okay. Then another session will be conducted, but like I don't know if you want to join, you can join. But please join this session. This the conduct which is conducted on Fridays. I think like you guys won't have any problem attending this session, and generally I prefer not to keep sessions on weekends because people generally have their plans, some other plans on weekends, and they cannot join at this time or any other time. So I prefer to keep it on weekday, the last weekday, and to basically like just get it over with and go home and enjoy. So please join this session on every Friday, which is 25th of July. You can join this session as well, which is on 28th of July, Monday. So this session will be conducted on Monday, 6 to 8 p.m. And the session by me will be conducted on Friday, 6 to 8 p.m. Then you have all the announcements here. You can just view it. Then the most important thing is this thing, this about the course thing. Okay, so I'm opening it in new tab. About the course thing, if you see, so you will get to know like 5,017 people, sorry, 5,017 people have registered for this course, and 106 out of them have registered for the exam. I hope more people register for the exam because like it will be of great help if you give exam and ultimately get the certificate. Certificate is, what should I say, side bonus for you, but exam will be a great learning for you all. And then we have everything the same here. And my battery is going bizarre. Then this Q&A page, okay? So if you open this Q&A page, you will find, see, you will find all the queries about course. So you can, what I suggest is, you 20, 19, 18, 20 people, I suggest after this video ends, so like during this lecture, during this session, you can just open this and introduce yourself here so that we get to know like what background are you working on and everything. If you like, if you want to introduce yourself, you should. And then these are the questions like please share PPT, and also I will be sharing PPTs. Lecture materials for this week, everything is being posted as the date passes. Python code, okay. So like Dr. Somen Kumar Roy is asking for Python code and code examples, okay. So these code examples and everything like we don't have in writing for the course, but we discuss these examples in live sessions and we update it in Google Drive, okay. So there will be a Google Drive where we'll update it and you will be able to view these sorry, you will be able to view these I'll show you where, okay. I will show you where in some time. Then you have progress, which basically tells you like a table of what you have watched, what you haven't watched. So assignment scores, once you submit the assignment you will get the, okay. So like if you finish week 1 videos and certification policy, etc, etc. Then you have mentor. In mentor you will find the instructor and everything. I don't think if this page now has not been updated, it will be updated soon. Course staff, weird, and I don't know. I think this is for me, this is not for you. Okay. So anyways, this is all about the course which you will be studying. Then in this left side of the page, left side of the web page, you will find the like about NPTEL. You will find how NPTEL works. But anyways, this is not important. This is common for every NPTEL course. You have to like start from here. You have to start with week 1. Once you click week 1, you will find chapter 1, lecture 1. Then you will have chapter 1, lecture 3. Then you have tutorials. Tutorials I think are taken by Shivani. I don't know. Then you have network X tutorial. So I suggest you watch these and then we can sit and discuss what exactly are we doing. Okay. Then you have quiz for week 1. I haven't submitted it. Like there are 10 questions. 10 questions, 1 question carries 1 mark each. Okay. Then week 2, I don't think so. Week 2 will be live. I have to submit the assignment today, and you will get week 2 assignment by Sunday or Monday. Okay. Just a second. Okay, so yeah, this is all. Then you have download videos option. So I think this is common for every course, but I'll show you. So I don't know how it works. Anyways, like you can explore it yourself. I don't actually know how it works because I don't ever actually use it. Then transcript is basically the transcript of each chapter in short summary of each chapter. Uh, this will be a PDF. This is lecture 1 transcript. Okay, so this is the transcript of each chapter. If you click here, you will find what the professor has taught. If someone who cannot just watch videos and they just want to finish or read faster, they can just visit this link and access these transcripts of each chapter. Okay, each lecture, in fact. Lecture 1, lecture 2, we have 74 lectures actually. Okay, then you have problem solving session 2023 one. Okay, I don't know, this is mine only, and let me check. Leave it. This is 2024 one. Yeah, this is mine. If you click here, so this will open a sheet where the sessions which I conducted last year. This is me. This is my PMRF ID. So which I conducted just a second last year, and you can basically view all the videos here. If I click here, it will open the video which was recorded by me last year, 28 July 2024 exactly. Not it has not been a year when it was recorded. So let me show you. I was bald at that time. You will find weird looking me. I don't know what's the problem with internet. See, that's me. Last year first session had a great strength. Like this year I'm seeing 25 people at max, but last year we had 100. Although eventually it dropped. Sorry, 58. My bad. I overestimated my capacity as a teacher. So then you have this Google Drive link. Sorry. If you click it, you will find that there are scribes. There's everything about the sessions which were taken last year. This is August 4th scribe. This is September 1st scribe. If you click it, you will see a PDF where we have discussed everything. So this was some assignment, and so if you watch the videos, you can just go through this thing. This is for last year. For this year as well, we will upload everything, and you will be able to see everything here. Okay, so if you click here and you go here, you click here, now this sheet opens up. I will upload the Google Meet link here and presentation folder link here. So let me create a Google Drive. That will eventually reflect here. Let me create a new folder. This is NPTEL SMA 2025. And let me just share this with everyone. Copy the link. Done. Let me add it here. Okay, so you can see now NPTEL SMA 2025 is being written here. Okay. Any doubts? Sorry, I don't think so any doubts would be there till now. This is a very simple thing. I will upload the video link after this session ends. And my bad, I'm not recording it. Actually, I am recording it. Yeah, I am recording it. No, it's being recorded, yeah. My bad. So, yeah, this is being recorded again here. So, this will be this year's slide. This is for me. This will be taken by, I think, Lakshay Saggi or someone. Lakshay Saggi. He will be taking this session. Okay. So this is all about these PPTs and everything. Sorry, this session and all. Hello. Uh, Lecture materials is not visible for you. I know, like, this issue I faced last year. But anyways, I'm trying to get this issue sorted this year so that you can download at least the PDFs of like Google Slides, sorry, PPTs of the lectures. But I don't think so. Video downloading option is managed by, uh, what should I say, an NPTEL team. Like, these are videos uploaded on YouTube only, okay? So YouTube video downloaders are like multiple video downloaders are there. So if you download these videos, and if you reuse them, I don't know, like if you can like use them in offline setting, that is not managed by NPTEL. That is just a YouTube thing. So I don't think so. NPTEL needs to provide anything. You can just like, there are multiple video downloaders of YouTube. So these all videos, like this is week 1, lecture 1, chapter 1, session lecture 2. This is a YouTube video. Okay, so if I play it and if you click here, this is a YouTube video. So you can download it using one or the other tool. Okay, I think I have cleared your doubt. So yeah, this is all about the NPTEL page. Now, what's the battery status? 4%. Just a second, I need to make a call. I need to make a call urgently. Otherwise, or if the battery gets down, now please wait. Please wait here. I will be joining in 5 to 10 minutes. Please wait here. Don't leave the meeting. Okay? It's like a issue from my end. It shouldn't have happened. I don't know how long can this meeting continue because I don't have my charger. So anyways, I'm expecting it to go till 6:45 because 45 session recording is mandatory for me. I just wait, like just hope it goes for 5 more minutes. But anyways, like I think this is sufficient for you to understand how NPTEL setup is working. I'm just explaining the basics for you. Okay. For the assignment, okay, let me tell you one more thing. So for assignment 1, if you can see, the deadline is 6th of August. This means that before 6th of August, we cannot discuss the solutions of this assignment. So like sessions conducted before 6th of August, we will be discussing coding sessions. We will be taking coding sessions and we will be discussing Python programming and how to basically study graphs using Python programming. What are the edges, what are the out degrees and all. So this all we need to like study. Just a second, I need to make the call again. The person whom I sent to bring the charger isn't picking the call. अभी तक आप आई नहीं, निकली नहीं घर वहाँ से? बहुत बढ़िया, 2% बैटरी बची है। अब पिछले दिन का फायदा ही निकालने का। मैं बोला था लेके आ जाइए, लेके आऊँ मतलब क्या रूम में रुकेगा फायदा का जो भेजा मैंने था। 2 मिनट में हो, 2 मिनट में आपको नहीं आएगी, 10 मिनट लगेगा। 2% बैटरी है उसकी, 30%। नहीं हो पाएगा, आप रहने दीजिए, छोड़िए। पता नहीं यार क्या चलता रहता है। छोड़िए, रहने दीजिए। So yeah, I think like charger won't be coming. Irresponsible people. Anyways, like what we can do is we have to end the session. I'm so sorry this happened. This won't happen again. Uh, Anyways, what you can do is you can go through this channel here, and I still suggest that you guys should introduce yourself here. And by that time, if you're using LinkedIn, you can connect with me at sahilmishra0012. Okay, I'm sharing this URL in the chat. So if you guys want to connect with me on LinkedIn, you can connect with me here. And I don't think so we can sustain. It's going down, it's going down. It's going. Nasir, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sorry about that. Most of the people left you guys stuck here. Thanks a lot for sticking here. I won't take long. I think the most of the things I've discussed here, and I will be stitching, like I have all the recordings, I will stitching the video and I will be uploading it, and I will be sharing the YouTube link here itself, and which you can view. I will send an email as well. I will send an email. You will be getting an email where you can view this Excel sheet, and you can basically watch all the videos, which we'll be uploading in the upcoming sessions. Anyways, let me introduce you to one more thing for you people. Like, I don't know if you guys know about Google Colab or not.
No, sir, we don't. We did. I didn't know.
You know about Python programming?
Yes, sir. I know some places.
Give a thumbs up if you know Python programming. Just write here yes or no. Write here yes or no if you know Python programming or not.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so like yes, no, that is fine. Both three of you, like not both. Okay. So if you know Python programming, just write it here. Write yes, no. Okay. So basically, let me tell you, this is Google Colab. If you write just let me Google Colab. If you type this, first web page opens up, and you can see this is Google Colab here, and you create a new notebook here, and this way now you are able to see Google Colab session. What should I say? This is the new notebook of Google Colab where you will code Python. Okay. So let me write something like print hi. So Python will print hi. Okay. So I suggest you guys try it. You can, like, if you have laptop, you can try it right now. I don't suggest opening it from mobile phone. It's very difficult to control it via mobile phone. It's not a mobile friendly web page. Okay. So in Google Colab, you can see like this is the whole setup. I will explain it later on when I will be coding Python, but you can see this notebook is requiring 1 GB out of 12 GB RAM and 38 GB of storage. 38 GB is my, I think, my file storage, which I have been using. Okay. So anyways, like these are all the options which you can find. You can change the runtime type here. You can change from CPU to GPU. You can change Python 3 to R or Julia, whatever language you want to. Okay. So forget it. Like sorry, if you're not able to understand why is it happening, forget it for now, and when we will be like picking this thing later on in our daily sessions, like weekly sessions of the weekly doubt sessions, then we will be discussing it. Okay. So like if you have any doubts, you can ask me right now. Like if you want to ask me anything, your doubts like regarding your personal, not personal, like like personal doubts regarding course, or any doubts regarding how this course is gonna help you, and if you have doubts, any project related doubts which you want to pursue related to social network or machine learning, deep learning, reinforcement learning, whatever you want. I'm your go-to guy here. You can ask me anything. Just let me know if you have any doubts, okay? I'm still waiting. Okay, so yeah, this is all about the things which we are you doing here. Uh, this is the sheet. The attendance has been 25 till now. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a set of algorithms. Like if you know AI, na AI, your ChatGPT and all, these all are a part of machine learning algorithms. Okay, so machine learning is writing a code that learns what to do based on the structures and patterns given in the data. If the data has some patterns, it should learn from those patterns what to do, how to behave. If you give it some value, what to give output, it should learn from that. That is machine learning. Okay, in simple words, I'm telling you. Okay, so if you have any other doubts, just let me know. Like I won't go into detail right now. This is just first session. When I'll be taking more sessions, I'll be teaching all this stuff later on in those sessions. Let me know if you have any other doubts, or if you want me to. One more thing, let me show you. So this is Google Colab for you, where you can code. Then you have one more thing which is known as sorry. Now if you go to GitHub, okay, you know GitHub, right? GitHub.com, where you can find any code. And if you in search bar you type social network analysis. By the way, you can follow me on GitHub by the same username, Sahil Mishra 0012, if you are having a GitHub account. You can find me like on most of the platforms by this handle only. Okay. So if you go to like this repository, Simon Cos. So sorry, this is in Chinese. I think it was this one. Yeah, if you go to this repository and if you go to NetworkX tutorial, you will find some of the nice Python notebooks. One of the best notebooks in Python, where you can see how social network analysis is done via these libraries. So I will be sharing the link of this repository here. Where is it? Where is it? I suggest you guys go through this link. I think I sent the wrong link. Yeah, don't go to the top link, use bottom one. This is a nice setup of how to like learn social network analysis. You should go through this one. Okay, so if you have any other doubts, just let me know. If you don't have any doubts, I'm like, let's stay for 2 minutes. If you don't have any doubts, then we can end the session and we can meet next week. Next week. Next week I'm traveling, so I won't be able to take. If you don't have any doubts, just let me know. Like we can end the session. Do you want me to know, like, tell you any other thing? I'm always happy to help. Cool then. We have the attendance of 28. minimize. So yeah, if you guys want to leave, you can leave. Let's end the session. Let's meet next week, next to next week, Friday and Saturday. We will be taking 2 consecutive sessions because we'll be missing out the session next week. And then what we can do is, then we can discuss coding part, Python, how to study social networks in Python, NetworkX, and this stuff. Okay. Chalo then. See you next to next week. Until then, bye bye. Take care. Have an awesome weekend, and let's meet. Okay. Bye bye.